Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog. I'm here with the quails and take a look how big they became now. I just have to look that they are not jumping down here. I want to show you the result of my new food dispensers here. I made them out of orange juice bottles. Here you can see it, I made little holes here inside so that not everything can fall out, because I have to look that it's not too big and not too small. Here you can see it also very good. Can you see? And yeah, this is the result of it. There's not much falling out here and I'm really glad about it. No, I'm happy already. Yeah, you are happy too, I know. Yeah, and yeah, I showed you this dispenser already on Instagram. You can follow me there too on Instagram, Hot Paw Vlog. I have to renew this sand bath here. I also put away the little bridge I've done here because they really can go inside this bath tube very easily. You can, I will show you. Go. What? Hop. Go. Have you seen it? It's very easy for them to go inside, so I decided to put it away. And yeah, my other food dispenser, I'm talking about this one here. Sorry, I had to shut the door first. I'm talking about this one. I will use it here in the big voliere then, because now they have much more space here on this side. And yeah, I'm very happy about this decision and this idea. So this is how it looks like here now. You can see they have much more space, and but soon I have to divide them into male and female ones. And the next project here in the voliere is making this small part here. And this is my first litter here. It's a small one, but it's very interesting because where they shit all the time. They are really champions in shitting, I have to say. And yeah, so this is a little update from me today, and I wish everyone a happy Sunday. Till next time, bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the thumb up and also the bell button for further notifications. Bye.